wants to talk to us.
Why did you open your window?
To get a better shot. He's not going to put his head in the window, sweetie. We're going to have some mashed potatoes tonight.
Oh, that's great.
And then we're going to have some tuna put into tortilla.
Where are the tortillas?
Tortillas are right here.
Yeah. This is good.
And then tuna salad inside of that.
This is good. I can't wait, actually.